All right, YouTube, so welcome back to it all. Finally some automotive related stuff instead of all the truck and stuff that's been on the channel. This picked up a pretty good deal, I think. We'll find out today maybe how good a deal it really is. A motor for the old LUV truck. If you guys don't know about the LUV truck, it's got a 383 in it right now, 11.5 to 1 compression. It's running a 300 shot nitrous, 373 gear. It's kind of a street vehicle. I've had this thing since I was like 15. Yeah, 15. So I had the 4-cylinder while I was in high school many moons ago. Couldn't blow it up. I moved out, finally did a V8. And that V8 was junk. And we finally built this 383 about 2 years ago. So here it is. Nothing fancy. We got some custom, we widened those wheels in one of the videos. I don't know if you ever posted that or not, but it's not a 79, but it's got 79 doors. Just a little knock-around truck, pretty cool. It ain't really rusted out. Original seat. I ripped the carpet out years ago. Got a little surface rust. Fuel still in the back. Car cover never stays on it. Seems like it blows off all the time. But pretty cool truck I've had for a long time. Kind of been wanting to do an LS swap on it, and just really wasn't motivated. Still ain't motivated, really. Just kind of how it goes. So we got over at buddy's house, and he had this thing laying in his backyard, which is pretty cool. Ended up being, why this camera's dark and bright all the time, but I believe it's a 6.2 liter. Pretty sure of that. Pretty sure. Well, here it is. It's got a computer. If you guys know a little more about it than I do, let me know. But I believe it's out of a 07, 08 truck intake, of course. 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive, whatever transmission. 6L80, I believe that's what that thing is. If you guys know, let me know in the comments. But I'm about to convert the transmission to 2-wheel drive or find another one. Don't know much history on it. Does have the wiring harness and the ECM. There those numbers are. I believe it's a 07. Got it kind of cheap because it's got water in it. That's kind of the downside. So everything, we sealed everything up after the fact. But I didn't know you had it till I was under the yard. But like the valve cover was open, you know, that was not in there, wasn't sealed up. And when they removed it, they just wrapped it. It was crazy as can be. They wrapped a chain around the mounts and just pulled it up that way. I guess when they moved it, broke the coil, and then in the process it broke the ear that holds your little plastic cover. It broke it off, so there's a hole here. It's been out in the rain probably 3 months. So we pulled the valve cover the other day, and there was some rust and stuff in it. So we kind of know that water's been getting in it. I just don't know if I just don't know if there's water in the cylinder heads. You know, if it's gotten that far down into it with that busted piece. You know, the little nipple busted off. I don't know if there's any motor in the cylinders themselves. We pulled one spark plug, had a lot of carbon and stuff in it. You know, these motors here, why I think it's 07, 08 is because it's got the timing cover up front. I don't know if you can see or not, but where are we at? Got a sensor in here. And it's got it looks like the timing cover itself is got the sensor where it's a variable valve timing motor. And it's got, it's on the other side here. 8. Yeah, let's see if I can get you over here. 823 heads on it. So, I believe it's an L92 motor, is what I'm thinking. 6.2 liter variable, variable valve timing, whatever, VVT, whatever that stuff is. So that eats lifters. That's why I'm kind of thinking it might not be that good of a deal, but we'll find out. Should be, if it is that same motor, it's about 415 horsepower factory, which the motor in the little LUV truck over there pushes about 450. The way it's set up, of course, running Vortex heads that ain't been modified. So, yeah. Let me set you up over here in the camera mount and do a little time lapse probably, and I'll update with information. Alright, so I got it all off now. Well, let's take a look in these things for the first time. That don't look too bad. That one don't look too bad. That one's definitely got some oil or water or something on top. Maybe you can see in it. Down there you see it's all shiny. Switch the light with the camera. That one's got, looks like a little bit of water or oil. We'll switch sides. That one's definitely got some oil in her. See that black stuff's oil. That one don't look too bad. That one's open. I guess a leaf fell in her. Let's see, that one's got some oil in her. Not too bad. We're gonna pull some plugs here and see how that looks. See if I can get her. We already tried spinning it over, so we know it's not locked up. I'll at least pull some plugs and see how that looks.
Golly gosh, Bob. Somebody's really fucking dedicated. Water? Oh, like it. There's a damn little dick hair in the bottom of it.
Little bit.
It's pretty good. There's barely much in there. But enough for us.
Sexy baby?
Yeah.
Factory.
Hopefully.
Other cars ain't.
All the ones over there we got. These all the trucks, yeah, all the trucks and service stations like that.
Really?
Yeah. All metal plugs up.
We used to have shit over the surface, so they always strip out. I made the bolts so soft.
Yeah.
They strip out and always kept a handful
I
of
wonder if I could just use a stock bolt on my Cadillacs then.
Should.
I'm happy as can be with that. So we can get a thumbs up.
Oh yeah. Happy as can be. Alright, so Phil's gone. As you can see, his truck ain't here no more. Got a lot done today. Got the motor tore down. Got it over here. Didn't get it all the way tore down. Just kind of got an engine stand. Looking pretty good, really. Had a bit of moisture buildup, you know, on the PCV system like I thought. Wasn't nearly, as you see in the video, if you can tell, there's not a whole lot of water in it, which is awesome. Maybe a couple ounces. We got this table here cleared off because I got some Vortec motor stuff in the bottom down here with some blocks back here. Where are they at? Right in there somewhere. I got all the LS stuff right here. Got it on the shelf, got all the bolts in the box. Pretty good. I'm very happy with how it turned out. We got the transmission over here on a pallet that I bought or got for free when I bought a motor a long time ago. Transmission core lines off of it. Pretty good. So, as always, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video.